NLP in a nutshell. I'm Joe Tabbanella with GPSmyFuture.com. So here's a story that best illustrates what NLP is about, or at least part of it, as far as how we achieve our results in reality. So I used to live in the Beechwood Canyon, the Hollywood Hills, and one day I arrived back from shopping to my home, and I noticed that there was a bird stuck at the screen window trying to get out. It must have been there for hours trying to get out of that window. And I gingerly removed this screen window, thinking it would just fly out because it's, it was trying to get out. And it wound up doing this. It was actually butting up against an imaginary screen window. I had to push it through the window to get it to leave. And so what we don't realize, and what NLP points to, is that we have an internal representation of reality based on experiences, like that bird. And usually we are just stuck projecting our reality and thinking it's our perception of reality, but we're really just projecting it because of past experiences. And usually, naturally, the only thing that really gets us out of these projections is fire or desire. For example, if that house was on fire, the bird would have probably went right through that window. And if there's a very hot-looking bird walking, flying down the street, it might have decided to go through that imaginary window. And that's kind of how we work. We wait until we hit rock bottom before we really make a change. But what we don't realize is that we have the ability to actually look at our internal projections of reality and change it. For example, if we were the bird, being humans, we can actually imagine this screen window and realize we're looking at a projection of it. It's an internal idea of reality. It's not reality. And we can actually make that hole so wide we can fly right through it. Well, think about how useful this is when it comes to dieting or public speaking. How you have an internal representation that's actually creating a physiological experience in your body, therefore creating actions or lack thereof, and creating your results. By focusing on the internal representation and changing it, you can literally change your life. This is really true. In my next videos, I'll share examples of how I've done it over and over in different areas of my life. But for now, just consider that rather than beating yourself up for your behavior or your actions or even state of being or results, start looking at how you're viewing an experience internally before you beat yourself up about why you're not behaving in a certain way. And then you can work with it. You start to build a relationship with what's called your subconscious mind, and it works with you rather than against you. So I hope that helps. If you're interested in workshops, check out GPSmyFuture.com, go to events, and I'll see you then. We'll be doing a lot more of this throughout the day.